Welcome to waterco.com.
Today, we are going to review 5 best sump pump alarms available in the market. Number 1. Superior Pump 92060 Sump Alarm System. Water-resistant float cord. Stainless steel clamp. Automatic alarm resetting system. Ease of installation. Number 2. Basement Watchdog, high water alarm for sump pump. Best one for the money. Loud alarming system. Simple and easy to operate. No installation required. Number 3. Zoeller 104011, water alarms for sump pumps. Low battery consumption. LED on the body. Features a reset button. Long power cable for convenience. Rigid body for long-lasting usage. Number 4. Zircon leak alert, best Wi-Fi sump pump alarm. Wi-Fi connectivity. Versatile performance. Multiple alerts with loud audio. Continuously monitor the water source. Number 5. Reliance controls THP205 Reliance sump pump alarm. Reasonable price. 6-foot wire with a sensor. Loud music alarm. Operates with standard 9-volt battery. Thanks for watching. To get more in-depth review, check our blogs at waterco.com.